What's going on? It's Julian Eddie coming to you out of my home in Conyers, Georgia, and today I want to talk to you about failure. Is it a good thing or is it a bad thing? Stay tuned. Alright, so like most people, you may have been taught failure is a bad thing, but in actuality, failure is a good thing. See, failure is a teacher. Failure is guidance. Failure is experience. If you've never ever failed anything a day in your life, you've never tried anything new, or you've never ventured out and tried anything different. You know, prime example, babies. See, babies don't fail, babies don't learn. And that still applies to today as an adult. If we don't fail, we don't learn. We'll be at a standstill. You know, and what you want to do is you want to let that failure humble you. And you want to let it help you grow. For instance, back to babies. See, babies, when they first learn how to become mobile, move around, they have to learn how to crawl first. Crawling isn't too bad. They learn how to crawl, they start scooting, whatever, then they get the crawling down pat. And they start, sprint crawling, all over the place. But the hardest part for them is the walking. See, this is where things get tricky. They have to bring balance into play. They have to start doing things they've never ever done before, aka something new. So they start to pull themselves up on things, and then they start to get bold, they start to get brave, they start to get real courageous. And then they start to let go. And then they start to take steps. And now they're starting to venture out. When they take those steps, they start to fall down. They may fall, get a little bump or bruise. Sometimes they might just get, scared a little bit and cry. But guess what? They get back up and they get right back at it. So then they start to walk again. They start to try. Sometimes they might fall again. Same thing might happen. They might get scared. They might get a little bump or bruise. They might cry. But guess what? They get back up and they try walking again. And all of a sudden, they start walking. So now, this is where things get fun. They build momentum. Then they learn how to run. Now all hell breaks loose. You can't stop them. So that's how it is with us as people, or as business owners, or whatever the case may be. You may fail when you first start out, but that's okay. That's totally fine. Let it teach you, let it humble you, and let it help you grow. That's part of life. You have to fail. And that's one of our best teachers, experience. Alright, so do not be afraid to fail. Because what's gonna happen is you're gonna start walking. Once you start walking, the momentum's gonna build. Once that momentum builds, now you're going to start running. Now you're going to start seeing those different levels of success that you're looking for. Alright, so that's very important. So if you found value in this video, feel free to like, share, subscribe, comment, just get it out there to people who may need it. Also, reach out to me on Facebook, reach out to me via email as well. My info will be in the description of this video. If you're on Facebook, it'll be above. If you're on YouTube, it'll be below this video. So again, feel free to like, subscribe, share, comment, just get it out there, and just use the content in this video if you found value in it. And again, if you're on Facebook, my info will be above in the description. If you're on YouTube, my info will be below in the description. So alright, so I look forward to connecting with you, and also always remember, no matter what you do, aim for greatness.